As you can see, I'm currently playing wait, what's this called again? Let me check. Troll is a spinning tower. I don't care. Okay, so I already joined the group. Shop W for them. So I know I already played this before, but let's give it a chance. Okay, come on. Okay, at least no one breathes. Hey! Frick you! Okay, guys, let's come back. That monkey literally gave me the heart attacks. You monkey! I'm not gonna grip you, don't worry, man. Please don't. I'm just gonna make obby. I'm just gonna do a obby. I don't know. I just currently don't know. Not gonna. I actually deserve it. I don't know why, but don't ask me. I'm kinda rude to others. Don't ask. Okay, jump! I said jump! Even though you literally jump, it's okay. I felt you, man. I felt you. Go! Go! I knew it! Hey. You literally stop it. Oh, I think she's literally waiting for me. Oh man, oh god, I'm so sorry. I totally didn't try to greet you. I'm sorry, man. You totally didn't. No. Fuck! Come on. Let's go. Oh my god, I thought he was gonna greet me. No. I was totally not gonna rage. Okay, but there is a plot twist. Every time I die, I switch to another game. So this is what the title says. Okay. Okay, jump. It was just a one-time jump. Frick! My mom just said, "Hey, no shouting." I'm trying to hold it in anymore. I'm trying to hold it in. Let's switch to another game. So since I'm literally bored, I'm just gonna change my avatar. Watch me try. So I'm back and I made this cute avatar. It's just a woman that's wearing what's this again? Bow tie thingy. So let's change it. What should I play? Let's see. I'll be what you're a bird seems fine. Let's join in. Join! It won't let me join. Gosh dang. Let's just join another one. Let's see. School experiment. Let's join in. Okay, I'm currently in the game. So, come on, sprint. Come on. Okay, let's wait. Since almost half of the people are here, so let's wait a bit more. So don't I look cute in this game? Okay, okay, we're almost coming. The timer literally started. Come! I said come! Come here! Finally. So we're in the classroom. Okay. So here's all the people. All the people. What's this? What's this? Okay. So then the next
Welcome class.
Skip. I'm just
learning and
skip all of the. Okay.
Now,
So first up, the first
here is
mini
the
game
task
is
you will be playing.
Survivor.
The contestants
Oh,
for this
really?
task will be
I literally hope it's not me. I'm so Frick!
everyone who was not picked will now try to kill the picked contestants. The contestant has to avoid being killed until time runs out. Good luck.
Hey, no!
Contestant
Frick you! Frick you! So, I died to that. Frick them! I hate them. If y'all are watching y'all are watching, frick you guys. So the next game the next game will be Rivals. If I don't even know. Don't tell anyone, but I'm just gonna play. Don't tell anyone. I played this for ages for now. So, hurry up. I'll just skip. So, here we're already in here. So, oh yes, please. I'm so laggy in this game right now. Let's vote again. So we loaded in the game. I don't know why am I eating my lollipop. So this event, I'm just gonna choose skip. Then okay. I'm finally not laggy. Okay. I'm a singer player. Wait, they have a new game mode. What? You gotta be kidding me. Frick! I'm so laggy. I remember having this passive ability, so I still play this nowadays. I don't know if I played it or not, but I do. What the? Give it to me! I said give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. So now. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl in my neighborhood getting up. Help na! Yeah! Hell na! Hell na! Come here. Hell! Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh, I still join. Come here, Poochie. Huh? What is this eating our Come on. Here we go. So the next games, I'm just gonna play Rivals just to test it out. So what's new? Okay. Come to Papa. Did you just call me ugly? It's a turn ugly. Come on. Come to Mama. Mama. Go. What the? Someone literally has auto-clicker. Oh. Let me change. What is my most I'm just gonna use the Berman. I remember this being only for one. Yeah, don't ask. 1% of people. I like being that 1% of person. What? Frick! So let's play Rivals for now. I have to. play Rivals. So the next game I check is MM2. The last one. MM2 is the last game I'm playing. There is skins. What? Oh, this is the game? Guys, can you please tell me how to play Rivals? I just started it right now. I'm just gonna lower my volume. Okay, hello. Wait. Up. Nag-alamat low HP. Bro, Rivals is so hard. Help me! I can't. Bro, this game is hard. I'm leaving. So the last game is literally MM2. Wait, I already saw it. My eyes. So since I have a Easter egg, I can just glitch. It's easy. Okay, let me show you guys. I literally have Tommy B pose right here. I can just boom shakalaka, boom, boom shakalaka, boom. I can just boom boom, boom. Am I getting any fast? Nope. Oh yeah, I'm now getting faster. So there is a secret that if you click every egg you see, every egg, you will see you like this, click and click that and click this one, the one that has nest. You can unlock in a secret room. You see, where is it? Where's the last one? Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot there is a secret room right over here. It's right here. Oh yes, baby. Here's my egg. Let's find one with my favorite color. Okay, found mine. My favorite color is literally my favorite color is blue. I've already found it. Where is that last egg? The last egg I need. Where's the first? Please, is it here? No. No, the eggs are just here. Oh no, ma'am. What should I choose? I'm just gonna speak glitch. No, I look so. Do I look so fat? Okay. Let me just right there. I'm a speed glitcher. Wait, let me try to do it quick. No, I'm so fast. Oh, you have to be sideways. Is there the gun? Where is the gun? Where is the murderer? Oh, I'm not dead. I think. Oh my god! I almost died. Oh my god! 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 My god! My god! Frick! So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoy. I have to go now. Bye.